Welcome to London. I'm standing on a very beautiful railway station out here. Very lovely railway station. The railway station is now King Cross. Very busy. Look at that. One train is there. One train is there. One more train is coming from that side. And coming from the back. I don't know which time it's coming. This train, luxurious one, just park out there. It's going to start running. People are coming in and out. And one more train is there on the other side. Lovely trains available out here. I'll show you that one after a few seconds. The new train is coming out here. I'll show you that one first. Very beautiful train is coming. So in this way, this railway station is so busy. The train is coming from that side. There's a bridge connected to central London. This area name is King Cross railway station. There's a bridge, a lot of loaders crossing. Some train is coming from that side. The train is coming. So it's very far away.
The next train to arrive at platform 8 will be the 1490 LNER.
All the guys come out here. They are going to their new tracks where they want to go. Ladies running, going to take a lift. The guys standing out there. The guys standing out there with this train, that train, and on the back there is the factory area of this railway. Very beautiful factory area of that railway. On the back, look at the engines of the railway. The antenna, big antenna. A lot of factories on the back of this railway. That's factory of London. Some train is coming from this side. We see the lights of the train. They are coming towards us. The announcement is coming. And the train is just running towards me. Wow. Beautiful London. Beautiful ladies. Look at the ladies working so hard out there. It's really not easy. But they're helping the people a lot. Their jobs in this way. Very lovely. Announcement of a train and it's going to start running. One more train is coming from the back. The usual train is coming. Later on, coming fast and going in the loft and a lot of tracks out here. 18 tracks. Can you imagine? 18 trains are moving at the same time. That train also Azuma. And it's going in a large track. Look at it. It's over there behind this railway. Wow. Coming from that end. Very big rail. See that, how much tall that rail is? Very big train. Very big train. And it's coming out here. Look at that behind that train. Wow. Oh man, wow. Big train coming. They are going on their track. So this time, where they want to go, they are going. Very lovely. It's really still coming from the back. Very big one. Very big one. And this train is waiting for the time when the announcement coming, start running. And these people are working so well, helping the people out there. These guys helping down there, the track up there. One train is here. And a big train, I tell you which one is up. In this way, this factory is railway station is so busy. Both up here, showing this train is here. Here they are going. And look at this one very big railway out here, waiting for the time come out. And look at that guy standing out there in the stay out there. When they signal, this train is going to start running. Beautiful big train. Very, very big train. Very, very big train. Look at that up to the end. But in this way, this train is working. Just sitting area. People sitting inside. Waiting for their train. So cold out here, that's why. People sitting inside and enjoy their tracks. Look at that. So very, very busy London is. A lot of trains are coming and going. There's a lovely London. One more train is coming from the back, if you see that. One light is coming. The way is coming also. So in this way, a lot of trains are coming and going. You see the light. The train is coming right now. That train is start running now. Coming over, they start running, going to their area where they want to go. Wow. More people are coming and that train has gone. More people are coming for their new trains. And one more train is on the back. I don't know where it's at the moment.
The next train to be platform 6 will be the 14.
Look at how many trains up there. So the time is coming, they'll start running. Beautiful rails, beautiful working. So this rail is going to be start running now. Bye bye. Lovely train. Start running. Start moving. Very old stop again.
The next train to arrive at the Royal will be the 1424 Northern service to Scarborough and Hyde Park. Cottingham, Beverley, Bridgend,
Again stop.
Burton, Hungerford, Wiley, Seaman,
People have to signal them and then they start running.
train stops in zone 8 to 6.
In this way, these trains are working, sitting area out here. People's going in, sit down, bring, enjoy. Because it's so cold out here. So people sit down, relax, and there's the boards up there, inside there. Those tell them which time the train is coming. See the board up there on the top. In this way, these trains are coming and they are going. Otherwise, there are doors open, people sit inside in the chairs. Very good. Very good. That's brilliant. Very hot inside. Heaters working for helping the people sitting inside there. So there is first train, and lovely sitting area. Thank you very much. See you guys in some other time and some other things. Love to enjoy the life. Please give me good comments and join me. I give you a lot of things from Heathrow Airport and a lot of London Airport. A lot of beautiful things. One more train is coming out here. A very good one. Not connected. A very lovely train. It's going to be parked out here. Taking the people with it where they want to go. So in this way, these days are working. They're working so hard out here, cleaning the area. That's why it is tiny. And Assume is just moving, coming on the right track. Waiting for that one. Again stop. And right. Technical things. The train part out here. And one more train is coming down there. So it's much busy. So much busy. The train is coming through the lights. The train is coming right now. train is coming in the center. Beautiful train is coming in the center. I'm going to its track where it's going to go. That's very beautiful railway. So how many trains available at the moment in this area? A lot. Look at that. 1, 2, 1 train, 2 trains, third one on the bar, a Zuma, 4th one, 5th one, and 6th one down there, and the last one. 6 trains, 6 big trains available at the moment. 6th one down there. People waiting for their things. People waiting for their things. But 6th one, 6 trains up there, this one out there, and that train is moving now. Look at that, it's running, going towards there, gonna go. And one more train is coming from the back. If you see the light, white light blinking up there, very far away at the moment. That one on the right side is coming towards this area. In this way, this station is working. Station in King Cross. Now it's start running. Hear the sound of the engine. This is a petrol train. Look at that. This is a petrol train. Not electric, it's a petrol. Look at here's the color of the gas coming out there. This is a petrol train. Other are electrics. Look at that. This electric one. There, one train is down there. Light is coming out. This train is here. This train is here. Oh wow. Oh man, wow. Beautiful luxury trains, beautiful things. So very busy railway station. Very busy. That train has gone now.
There has been a platform change for
If you see that down there, it's gone. Another train from the top coming towards us.
It will now
On the right hand
leave
side.
from platform 4.
Very lovely railway station is. Oh man. I'm so tired holding my camera in my hand. so cold. So cold these days, London is. Very cold one. Look at that driver standing out there on that train. They are waiting for their signals. When signal come out, they start running the train from there. Very cold days. Very cold days. Man, so cold. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Look at that, the bird standing just right in front of me. It's so cold, just standing right in front of me. So cool. Thank you very much, guys. See you some other time, some other area. Look at that beautiful bird. See you some other time, some other area, some other train, some other planes. Take care. See you. Bye. Enjoy your life. Join me. I give you more airports. Thank you.